I have been wondering how an airplane moves backward when it doesn't even have a reverse gear.
Yes, you are right. Unlike your cars, most airplanes can't simply put themselves in reverse. So whenever you see an aircraft moving backward from the gate, there is something else basically doing the work, which is this machine called the pushback tug. This tug is connected to the aircraft and it literally pushes it away from the terminal. Once the aircraft reaches the correct position, the tug is then disconnected, and that is when the aircraft starts moving under its own power. The aircraft engine provides the thrust needed for the aircraft to taxi forward, while the tug handles any parts the aircraft can't handle by itself. So the next time you see an aircraft mysteriously moving back, just remember that it is not reversing, it is being pushed back. Now you know that an aircraft doesn't reverse, it is being pushed back. Like and follow for more. See you on the next episode of Airport Secrets.